What does SHL stand for?
That's probably the question I get asked the most, all the time. They're like, "Oh, is that your initials?" Like, "No." SHL is single-handedly Liz. It I came up with it in college for my senior collection. Just something it was just me doing all of it, but also I have the fun added, challenge in my life of my right arm being paralyzed, and so that SHL just is a little double meaning for me, and, I do everything one-handed. So, obviously, that comes with its own challenges, but it's been so fun too to just still not let it stop me.